Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer all money from one bank to another. Later in this video, I will also show you my favorite money transfer service for fast and secure transfers. First, open your banking app or sign into your online banking account. Once you are logged in, go to the Transfer or Payments section. Next, select the option to add an external bank account if you have not connected the other bank yet. You may need to enter the other bank's routing number and account number. After linking the account, choose the bank account you want to transfer money from and then select the destination bank account. Now enter the full amount you want to transfer. Some banks also allow you to tap max or transfer all to move the entire available balance. After that, review the transfer details carefully, including the account numbers and transfer amount. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue or Transfer. Your bank may ask you to verify the transfer using a text message code or banking app approval. After confirmation, the transfer will begin processing. Depending on the banks, the money may arrive instantly or within a few business days. That's it. That is how you can transfer all money from one bank to another. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.